If your Ninja Fit blender struggles with thick smoothies, nut butters, or dried fruits, here's how to keep it from jamming or stalling mid-blend. Step 1. Pre-soak hard ingredients. Dried fruits, oats, nuts, and seeds can be tough on the blades. Soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes before blending. This softens everything and prevents clumps. Step 2. Layer ingredients properly. Always start with liquids at the bottom, then soft fruits, and finally your soaked or frozen items on top. This helps everything move toward the blades smoothly. Step 3. Use short pulses instead of holding it down. Pulse blending gives the motor a chance to work through tough spots without overheating or stalling. Step 4. Don't overfill the cup. Stay under the max fill line, especially with dense ingredients. Too much weight on the blades is one of the most common causes of jamming. Step 5. Check your blade assembly. Check assembly. If your blender still struggles, the blades may be dull or worn. You can't sharpen them, but replacements are cheap and easy to install. I've linked the right blade base for the Ninja Fit in the description below. If this helped you get smoother blends, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and blend smooth!